Okay.
Your life.
If someone needs again the lecture regarding lecture.
Okay. I do little revision. After this lecture, we have only 2 more lectures. Okay. I used to combine the chapters and I give them. Okay. What is sound?
Sound is it's a vibration of molecules on any type of body which helps. Air column? अरे इसमें से भी sound आती है solid में से. Good.
Okay. Then, what is the audible range for human?
20 hertz to 20 kilohertz.
Okay. Then sound audible range is 20 to 20 kilohertz. Okay. We can say as a sonic sound. That is sonic. Then if it is below than 20 hertz now, infrasonic. Above 20 hertz, ultrasonic. Okay. Wherever we using ultrasonic. Sonar. Okay. In school they have taken this chapter.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Why we are preferring ultrasound? We can go with that audible frequency also. Frequency is more than. It never easily absorbed. Okay. It is undeviated. Okay. It is not easily absorbed. It is undeviated. And one more, it's confined to the narrow beam. Okay, it's confined to the narrow beam and it is not easily absorbed and it having high frequency, then undeviated. Okay. What are the 3 things we have seen? Why we are preferring ultrasonic?
Higher frequency undeviated.
Undeviated.
Narrow beam.
It's passes in a narrow beam. Then.
आज पहला ही पेन निकाल के रखना ना साइन करने के लिए.
Okay, what are the 3 things? Why we are preferring the ultrasound?
Higher frequency undeviated.
Narrow, it's confined with a narrow beam and it is not easily absorbed. Okay. Okay, you have, how you pronounce echo? Echo only. I also pronounce echo only, but
Echo is the radi.
Okay. What are the qualities of echo? What is echo?
Repetition of sound for short duration of time when it is bounced back by
You close the book. You close the book.
अरे ये भी क्या बोलते हैं?
Close it. Can you see the index only? In sound, work energy and index. So next class we are having work energy and gravitation.
Gravitation subject.
Okay, listen. What is echo?
Echo is the bouncing back of sound waves from one object to another object and your dimension
One
from
object to other object. Object.
One obstacle.
Obstacle. Ma'am, from here to there and again.
Ma'am,
Repetition of sound in short period.
Repetition of sound happen. That is दूसरा name I tell you. Okay, I come on by one.
When sound returns back to its same path.
So reflection of sound. it? Reflection of sound. So, say when echoes happen, there is a formula. How we calculate this speed of the sound? So, for general formula, speed, how to calculate distance, how much distance covered with respect to the time. Okay, same thing in echo, how we have to calculate now? Distance traveled to the end point and coming back again now. So 2D divided by T. Okay, what is the formula of the echo?
2D divided by T.
2D divided by T. Okay, then what are the qualities I am telling you? What are the condition to be echo? First condition, so we are so imagine I am only the sound producing the sound. Okay, I am only the transmitter, and my the endpoint, the obstacle should be larger than me. Okay, you can see it in a mountain area. Mountain is more higher now; it's very big in size. So obstacle should be big in size. Okay, then another thing, and the distance between obstacle and the transmitter. Okay, I'm only giving the sound now. So minimum 70 meters should be there. 70 meter should be there. And basic quality, the reflection of sound should be written in zero point 0.1 seconds. 0.1 seconds. I tell you how to find these things. I tell you, I already told you the formula. What is the formula to find the 2D by T? Okay. So the speed of the sound is what? The speed of the sound, general. Yes, the speed of the sound. 330.
3400.
330
meter per second.
meter per second. Okay. It will be vary from 330 to 340. Okay. Sometimes in numerical they give you the value. If they are not providing you value, you have to mention. I am assuming this value 330 meter per second. Okay. The speed of the sound you know. Now you find the put it in the formula and find the distance. Take pen. If you people don't have the rough note, you take something fast. Take a pen and rough note. I told you the speed echo formula.
Pen is extra.
Write the echo formula.
Extra pen is. I got value. Oil. Oil.
Cell tube is the digestion system. Cell tube is the digestion system.
शांति मुझे चाहिए
कोई तो सिस्टम नहीं. Highest no.
What is the echo formula?
2D upon T.
Okay, what is the speed of the sound?
330 meter.
Okay, 330 meter per second. Okay. Then what is the condition? The time taken should be
0.1
0.1 seconds. 0.1 seconds. And find the distance.
किलो साउंड क्या 330 या
Find the distance.
33 meter.
Hmm?
33 meter.
33.
33.
What is the formula? Batao.
Ma'am, 330 81 by 2. So.
2D by T. That is the formula.
Ma'am, it is in point.
What is the distance? 16 point. 330.
Yes, ma'am. 16.5.
Okay, if you put in that round of 17 meter. Okay. The minimum distance should be 17 meter. Now you understand why I am saying 17 meter. Then what are things?
Ma'am, sound speed can also be 340, no? Oh, 340 is not.
70.
Ma'am, if we did 340, then it is not 70.
It's okay. It will be vary from 330 to 340. Okay. So then, I hope you understand the condition of the echo.
Yes, ma'am.
Then reverberation. Reverberation is nothing but the reflection of sound happening continuously. Multiple times the reflection of sound happens. If you say something word, any silence, Silent, silent, silent. It keep on repeating, na? That we say as reverberation. 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 Okay? The reflection of sound happening multiple times. That is reverberation. And then frequency and time period will be inversely proportional. Okay? When frequency increases, time period will be reduced. You know how the waveform should be represents. What is frequency? What is time period? What is amplitude?
Yes.
Pakka. What is wavelength?
Wavelength is covered by the
Between one puff and one
Half
puff
distance between two consecutive wave fractions are two
Okay, so it should be middle of the waveform. Okay. So then time period, how much time taken? Okay. Amplitude, the height. Okay. Now we're going to see about the vibration. Already we know how the sound is produced. Because of the vibration only it has been produced. In this vibration, you're going to see about the three types. Okay. First one is natural vibration, which occurs naturally. It doesn't need any external source. Okay. Vibration happens as a no external force need to be triggered. But forced vibration, it needs the external force. Okay. Then resonance is nothing but it needs external force. Okay. At some point of time, it will be equal to the natural force. Naturally happen now. It never swings that much. Lightly it will swings. Okay. If you see the leaf now, it will movement will be very less. If you see this paper also now see this you take a hand. So if you see Acha, na, that time the paper will be vibrating everywhere. So clothes will be movement in motion. It is naturally happening. Okay. When forced vibration, na, it will movement will be faster. Okay. So resonance nothing but it occurs by the forced vibration. After some time, it will the movement will be very less. It will be equal to the natural frequencies. Okay. Then at last it will be stopped. Understand my concept?
See like this
Resonance.
now.
Okay, that one is forced vibration. After some times it will be comes to the natural vibration.
And then stop.
That is okay. This is damped frequencies. Damped vibration is what? When it recurs the forced vibration, its frequency more amplitude. It will be swings more fast. Then it reduce and stop. Resonances it will be equal to the natural frequency. Understand? Resonance will be at last it will be equal to the natural frequency. But damped frequencies they will stop. Okay? Natural frequency, forced frequency, natural vibration, forced vibration, resonance, damped vibration. Okay, charting you are learned. Okay? You tell me for what is forced vibration? You are in which word?
And forced vibration is when an external body applies its force on a body to make it vibrate. It is very fast and the amplitude is high.
Yes, very good. What about the natural frequency?
natural frequency. The frequency by the environment.
And by the environment, it doesn't need any external. Okay? Then it will be amplitude will be very less. Okay? Not very less, it will be less. Okay? Then damped vibration, you are listening. What are you doing? So what about the damped vibration? Listen, what about the damped vibration? Initially it needs the forced vibration. Okay. After some point, it will be reduced and last it will be stopped. Okay. That is damped vibration. No, then how the waveform will be now, it will be the maximum. Then minimum at last it will be stopped. Damped vibration. Okay.
Yes.
So all music instruments.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we can find it. And resonance. Resonance is what?
When an external force is applied to a body to make it vibrate, and after that the vibration gets reduced to equal to natural frequencies.
Then it's
Understood. No, it won't stop. It will be equal to the natural frequency. Okay? Damped vibration only. It will be.
So कूलर पे हवा आ रही है
Example of resonance.
A resonance, we can say, if you sting, if you connected any things, na, like wire, you have connected any balls, okay. If you touch one ball in between, okay, and
Why not an example of when?
Yes, sir.
okay, it will be
Very good
initially
example.
it will move fast, okay. So at last it come to natural frequency vibration. Okay. So initially it needs one external vibration.
So
Okay.
it's not
Pendulum also you can say.
pendulum.
मेरा example बहुत ज़्यादा ही अच्छा है।
क्या है?
Then
ऐसे में ठप चल रहा हूँ तो सीधे अभी हवा आएगी कि ऐसे ऑटोमेटिकली हवा लगेगा।
so okay, then what are things now? Actually frequency is inversely proportional to the length of the string. Okay. Then inversely proportional to the directly proportional to the root of tension. Tension matlab how much you give you pressure in that.
Frequencies.
Directly proportional to the root of tension.
No, inversely proportional.
Length.
Length of the
String. Okay. Frequency is inversely proportional to the length. Okay. Directly proportional to the root of the tension. Root.
Good.
Frequency is directly proportional to root of tension. Okay, if you consider natural frequency, natural vibration, there is a formula F equal to 1 by 2 pi natural vibration. Okay, natural vibration ka what is the formula na? F equal to 1 by root 2, so root pi 2
equal to
2 pi root g by l.
F equal to
F equal to 1 by 2 pi
I.
root pura
L by G na?
g by l.
G.
This one.
Oh. Understand that.
Okay. And then what are things? I hope you are.
Frequency equal to F lambda.
This you have studied now frequency wave frequency into lambda. That you should know now. That formula also you have to know.
Wavelengths.
Okay. Then characteristics. See, you people know about the waveform, isn't it? Okay. Basically, we can go with the waveform in representation of the sound. Okay. In order to tune the volume, we have to reduce the amplitude. Okay. If you reduce the amplitude, your sound will be low. Okay. The pitch will be more in according to the frequency. Understand? Amplitude related to what? Sound, loudness. Okay, take a note. Amplitude, loudness. Amplitude. If you alter the amplitude, the loudness will be changed.
Directly proportional.
Next, loudness is directly proportional to the square root of amplitude. Square, amplitude square. Square. I see. I wrote what are things have to teach, so I don't know. So
Square or square root?
square. Okay. then it directly proportional to the density,
No.
loudness.
Of the string, density of the string.
Okay, and inversely proportional to the square of the distance.
Square of
And pitches represent the frequencies. Pitch represents the frequency. I hope you understand. If you are not understanding, I will explain in the waveform also. You are getting or not? Huh?
and this is
If you adjust the frequency, the pitch will be altered.
And this, we also had an 8 center, same things.
You are studied in
8 center.
8th standard, so you are studied this.
No, I mean, it's new formula, new.
the formula. This amplitude loudness here.
Oh, this is
We
another
also had an
study.
8 center also.
Okay, okay.
Waveform.
Then in 10th also you going to study this only. But you will get like reasoning questions,
अरे
application,
वही तो नहीं चाहिए था.
that you will get. Okay. So
That was the thing we didn't want.
in 9th also you will getting this.
That
Okay. In 10th. So the quality defines the
Quality.
quality.
timber waveform.
Waveform. Okay. When waveform you are not getting clear, now the quality of the sound is very bad. The speed of the sound will be depends on two things. One is elasticity and another one is density. Elasticity.
String.
Okay.
Density of the string.
So there is a formula. E is elasticity.
Oh.
Density.
Velocity of the sound is equal to E upon small e.
E.
B root E upon.
Density.
Density
Oh,
rho.
oh, oh. But now it is number बढ़ जाएगा.
Sound speed of sound.
Depends on
Density.
and density.
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 And first one.
Yeah. You come and sit here. You go inside.
Boom.
You only.
No, ma'am.
Either बैठो.
तो आधे में लिखा.
मैं सिखाता हूँ.
So come.
This is happening.
What is this?
V is equal to E upon E. I don't understand that word.
Body.
Root density. Okay. A density differs somewhere. Okay.
And then
When the sound now it will be calculated in the decimal. There is a formula 10 log intensity. Intensity you know now.
Log.
and leveling.
This
But
formula
what is
log I1 I by I not input. Okay, two sounds. Okay, they give you the values also. You have to find out in log. I upon I not. I zero. So it depends. It reflects the intensity. Okay. When the sound intensity will be detected, na, it should be 10 power minus 12. If you are getting the sound below 10 power minus 12, na, it is not audible. Okay. So you should write this value. This is basic. 10 power minus 12 watts per meter square.
And above 10
It is audible. It is basic. Okay. Test
Above
on
it is audible.
yes. Below this, it is not audible. Minus 12, okay? Sonar and all you know now. Then echo I have introduced. Then what are things? Oscillations. Oscillations. Okay, number of frequencies. Okay. If you want to you prepare something, you can prepare, then I'll give you test. Okay?
Prepare.
एक इधर है आपका नोट इधर है.
Note.
हाँ. Notes. Foundation notes.
Yeah. वो ये ना वो
Ma'am, he lost it.
ये नहीं घर पे ही
You know, ma'am, he didn't bring to tuition.
मैम है घर पे
ये ना.
हाँ है
So okay, you do revision now. I give you test.
अब आप वही देखो
Little bit here.
and not the values of the
Revision na. Reflection of sound happens multiple times. Okay, that is variable.
small question
It's a small case. In order to remember, sometimes it happens. Silence is there. So reflection sound बार happen. Right? It is revision.
सब जून आगे का मूल सब
Then these are the conditions for the input.
पता है उसमें परफॉर्मेंस बेस है उस क्राइटेरिया को get किया नहीं वो दिया होता है
What is history?
history course.
Basic.
College. This अभी समझ की
Pendulum. Balance position. Balancing position at the mean na, so that is restoring. Okay, balancing na. So at the middle point, we say restoring.
इस लड़के पिक्चर मत चल ईश्वर का
हाँ
I just covered up the
ना बहुत दिया था हमारा देव भी सो सकता है
I think 67 would be.
Read the formulas. Read the formulas. Okay.
Pendulum numericals also.
Pendulum.
Numericals.
Maybe
and what is R
or radius.
radius of what
String. Inversely proportional. Okay. Then also.
One by
And tension is tension. Kitna tension you are giving on the string, that matters. And using if you take meter, much tension you give now. Racing meter.
you not that screw which I can tension
Yes.
You want it right.
That
With
much.
how efficient you want it.
frequency
Hmm. Instruments are there.
हाँ ना
nine international school हम low frequency means shrill sound deep sound
Frequency represents the pitch. Okay.
quality depends on wave speed also
Waveform.
It's
Waveform ऐसे actually we go to sine form, sine wave only. Okay. ये ना अच्छा है ground now, so quality is good. ऐसे हम drawing ना quality अच्छा है.
one year structure also.
नहीं I didn't ask for it. You people attend ICC, you people ICC na, you people going ICC na, so no need of the station.
Lions.
Everything is starting like
There is
like this.
In fact, I have made this notes for both the CBSE and ICC. This way here.
और Olympiad series.
In bio, you may have this question again. So in biology, you may have this question.
Biology कौन पढ़ रहा है? वही
Sir, I have taken bio हो गया ना?
yes, bio completed.
Only two more classes for me in physics. Okay, I am planning to do two chapters in one day.
then foundation खत्म
Foundation for sample. Unit immediate क्या है?
7 10 minutes also there na, motion and force of नाइन्थ आपका सिलेबस है
Yes, ma'am, it is deep.
ओके
Motion
Ma'am,
and
how many questions are there?
ये सब मोशन
70
ज्यादा नहीं ज्यादा हो
ज्यादा है
पेपर का साइज देख
So by 8
नहीं 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 or not 9
Oh.
अब
कितने
but it is actually it is very easy question very easy
जब जब
okay
ma'am this is more easy ma'am like this is more related to 9th portion
क्यों तुम्ही जिंदगी में देती है
वर्क एंड एनर्जी खुद कर देते हैं
अरे बाप तो वो पढ़ रहे हैं
नहीं पर खुद
I
करने
mean,
को बहुत
it's
मुश्किल
very
है ma'am I was just reviewing at home I thought it was difficult
the note like
See, ma'am.
next week work energy
Ma'am,
and
but-
gravitation
ग्रेविटेशन
gravitation
तो
बहुत मुश्किल है
न्यूटन भाई मैं शुरू में न्यूटन हूँ मैं हाउस
that is most easy
no
my
ma'am I studied from the NSO book ma'am
I thought the Newton award na I have to do NSO book
I'm Olympiad
but he gives any nonsense Olympiad and then tells it to everyone
yes ma'am SOF Olympiad ma'am
Olympiad
ah that gravitation is that I can't understand anything
so I got the Sir Newton award in my school so I have
Thank
to
you.
do everything hey
worst student award
I am the first standard में मिला था पता है
gravitation का
अरे मैं उस चीज पे नहीं था अरे वो स्पॉन्टेनियस के जैसे
फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड में बोला होगा किंग्स फॉल फर्स्ट ये फॉल
नहीं ये कंपटीशन था उसमें मिला था
first standard बोला जाता है
राइट कंपटीशन का फिजिक्स का शुरू इसलिए
Ma'am, is there
okay
one-
okay steady
हम पेपर
Uy, no!
C mark
-5. -5 मैं -5
he didn't see
नहीं देखा
देखने के बाद भी
नहीं
याद नहीं रहता उसको
you have that book now you can share na
अरे मैम वेट ले बोल दे दे अपनी बुक स्टार्ट करो मैं तो नहीं है मैं तो दे दो
17.2 ये है पेपर
okay shall we start at some 15
मैम you give
allowance
मैम you can give us
Ma'am, give it now,
5
ma'am,
minutes
because
break,
it is 109
5
questions.
minutes
that was
I will no ma'am
hey
ma'am no they will let there is 7:30 you give us at 7:10 for 5 minutes
no okay
yes ma'am
ma'am this today also 2 marks extra
of course if you finish early you will finish
ईशान रेडी है 2 मैच स्टार्ट
carry extra it's a big
one gives 5 marks
नहीं नहीं
I'm reduce the question
नहीं actually a simple question है people will do it in essay
साउंड तो ये तो से रीजन
Not still that one.
ये
पूरा
system
simple
मिल
questions
जाता
है you can do it don't worry
मैम वेट मैम वेट प्लीज मैम
I didn't need it सबसे मार
प्लीज मैम
sound technology you going
आई एम मैम प्लीज मैम वेट मैम अर्जेंट प्लीज
इसके बाद जाएगा
अरे जाओ ना 8:30 बजे हाँ तो 7:35 तो गए हाँ तू वही लेती है भाई तू पढ़ाई पे ध्यान मत दे पता है
क्यों दे रहा है ना
हाँ मैं दे रहा हूँ
बुक बंद है तेरी
अब ये है ना ये है इससे रिकलेक्टिंग बोलते हैं पता है तुम ही दे सकते हैं सर
रिस्टोरिंग रिस्टोरिंग
जो भी बोलते हैं आगे दिखता ज्यादा पढ़ भी तो मेरा प्रॉब्लम नहीं है उसमें इससे चलो जाएगा मैम मीटर में साउंड स्पीड है 330 और 340 बोथ
no in numerical they will give you 340
no it is not given
हम
it is
न्यूमेरिकल
not
is
but you should mention in the grade I'm assuming
न्यूमेरिकल is there
तो
yes of course
of course Ishan
I'm all this formula repeating
no not all the formula I have
This
given
one.
basic only I have given.
basic root L upon G 2 pi
Ma'am, that is not
I
numerical.
want to by
अरे वो दूसरा कौन है अपने
That वाला
This you
question.
see, this you see.
Plans of
हम पढ़ते हैं I am
Time
log
of
that log वाला ना
I only basic बोला basic है
intensity वाला.
I'm
I
sorry
have given that.
अच्छा that is not.
Ma'am, he always asks these questions. It is the necessary questions of Isha. Extra on the hello. Yeah. One zero nine question there. We were even start from there.
seven
तो
7 0
seven.
Ma'am, can we keep this way right?
Other side में क्या है?
Mother performance है ना mother.
Man, I do the foot.
Page निकालो.
आपको करना पड़ेगा ना.
पूछ रहा हूँ कहाँ पे करना है
तो ये ना
निकाल.
करिए.
ये सब देखेंगे
अबे मैं क्लिक कर लूँगा. चलो आप like this. All the best. मैं ऐसे कहूँगा भाई तो
Yeah, you can write it in the question paper also, na? Then why you?
No, man, the question paper is very odd. It doesn't give a sense of an examination. So that's
Okay.
I will cheat.
वो
ये book लिख
अभी ये कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री नहीं है ना.
Okay, take your. You said that Sarun said you are going home.
No, I'm not going home.
You are going home.
No, man. Wait, 5 minutes.
Yes, you are going break now.
Yes, sir.
Sarun time. हो गया. जाके आओ.
कहाँ?
Washroom.
वॉशरूम नहीं, मैं क्लास से पढ़ते थे वेट चाहिए मेरे को. He's sitting in the class like this.
7:15 we start. Okay.
Yes, sir. 7:15 we start the exam. अरे वो वॉल्यूम, no need of volume. ईशान, पीछे से कौन सा है ना? All the best for exam.
Yeah, we do one thing.
Yes, ma'am.
You people already studied work energy power, na? And gravitation also you have studied.
No, gravitation we have not studied, sir.
Not studied.
No, ma'am, not at all.
You people doesn't have in the syllabus.
No, ma'am. Gravity is not included in the syllabus.
Okay. Then I do one thing.
This laws
You
of motion we
prefer
have just
work
one page.
energy and power from home, okay? That is your assignment.
Yes, sir.
And after coming now, I give you that assignment. After one के बाद we directly go with the gravitational introduction and the test part.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
I
Ma'am,
hope.
make that.
No, ma'am, please, ma'am. I have exam like my school year.
Hey, 17 को है.
अबे तो कितना बड़ा सिलेबस है साइज देखा है तुमने?
80 marks का होता है
तो 80 marks exam है my school.
Okay.
So I will try.
Okay, you can try.
Ma'am, what is this C per second?
अगर मैं पढ़ता हूँ यही पढ़ के आया ना.
Speed of the speed of the light.
अगर मैं पढ़ता हूँ
Sound
यही
ना,
पढ़ के आया ना.
sound. So sometimes they mention C, sometimes they mention in this way. V.
Number, what does C indicate?
Speed.
अरे speed of light
Speed of light.
They sound
Speed of light.
They sound type
Speed of sound.
Speed.
Light is what type of wave?
Sometimes they mention in C, sometimes they mention in curve wave.
sound
दोनों होते हैं कागज से बना.
You go and sit in the last bench.
हाँ हाँ.
Yes, of course.
Oh. The pattern.
make you sit there
यही volume है.
You go sit in the last bench. Go. We start.
अरे they will
Ma'am, wait, ma'am.
they both will fight man they both will fight an answer
I will sit there. man.
ah yes
Then you sit here.
he will copy also man
तू आ जा last bench पे.
they रहते हैं
You sit here. Yes.
man here
अभी 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 कितना सा पहला
More close now. So
ये so this is cheating ना भाई
don't shout. We'll sit here.
पानी ना
I take one paper now. Why you are taking two?
हाँ
I'm
One
meaning
sheet.
yes sir
Take one sheet. Shall we start? Please finish the way. Close it.
ठीक है अबे वो मैं मार्कशीट है